Welcome to today's tutorial on how to hide data in Excel. Unlocking the power of Excel often means mastering the art of data presentation and organization. In today's journey, we'll delve into a fundamental Excel skill that allows you to control the visibility of your data. If you wanted to fill in the months in Excel, you don't have to type everything. Just come and select the first month that you have typed. Come at the edge corner and point it. It will give you a cross sign and just drag it. And Excel will fill in the rest of the months. In this data of ours, we have a hidden column. If we wanted to resize the column to fit in the data, you just come at the edge of the column and just double click, and it will automatically resize the column to fit in the data that you have. Okay, so in our data here, we typed the month and then the remarks and then the marks. It is not well arranged. So what we will do, we will learn how to swap column to this column, select it, point at the edge of the column and just drag it to that place that you want it to be, and it will swap the column automatically. Now it is well arranged, it is well organized. Knowing how to organize your data in Excel is key. Okay, so today we are learning about hiding the column. So as you can see, we have the remarks of the students, and it is not so good, and we would like to hide it so that we can present the other marks to the parents, and we don't want them to see what we've written specifically concerning the other students. And select the column and right click and just click on hide column. And as you can see, our remarks has been hidden. If you wanted to hide the row, you just come do the same thing. Select the row, right click, and then click hide the row. And our June has been hidden. If you want to unhide it, you just come, select the rows that is hiding the column in between, and you just come right click and click unhide row. And it has given back our June. Come select the two columns that are hiding the column that you have and just right click and click and hide. And that's how to hide and unhide the columns and the rows in Excel. Thank you for being a part of our incredible community of learners. Your support means the world to us. Keep watching, keep sharing, and stay tuned for more exciting content. We couldn't do it without you. Until next time, take care and God bless.